All right, so this is a more fundamental question. If I put air into this side and I have fluid going out of that side, what are the relative pressures? I'll have a manometer on this side, a manometer on that side. Which pressure, which side is higher? And taking the fluid column out of the mix. So what I'm going to do is pump up this butt when it's on its side. All right, experiment one here. So I have, this is zeroed out. I'm going to pump up the air bladder. This will give me my air pressure. This will give me my water pressure. All right, this side is low 200, roughly 200. This is 250s. All right, so I have a blood pressure cup surrounding a bag of water. This is how I'll measure the air pressure in that cuff. This is the water pressure. I zero it out, and now I'll start pumping, and let's watch the two. All right, so let's just recap what's happened so far. When I pump up a pressure bag, the pressure I get from the bag of water is higher than the air pressure in the bag. When I surround the bag with a blood pressure cuff, the pressure in the cuff is higher than it is in the water bag. All right, so here's an additional wrinkle. My limbs aren't bags of water. Sometimes it's helpful to think about math and limits. So if my limbs were lead pipes, then inside those lead pipes, they would not notice a blood pressure cuff. And so you can pump all you want, but the pressure inside is going to be the same. My limbs land somewhere between water and lead pipes, more like my silicone hams. So what can I believe? Do blood pressure cuffs give me numbers that I trust or not? I think it's helpful for relative numbers. You can see changes, but I don't think I will start a blood pressure medicine based on 3 or 4 blood pressure cuff measurements. So my world is rocked by this. Anyway, help me.